Feast of culture.
Feast of Culture was filmed with deep respect for the Igbo people and the universal joy of coming home.
This is delicious. What is this called? Feast of culture.
When a child who has journeyed far returns home, the entire village sings.
Mama, there is a stew I grew to love in my travels. They call it Ayamase. But
A new challenge. We will make this Ayamase, but we will give it an Igbo heart. For my son. This rice has a strong character. You must wash it well, but with respect.
Feast of culture.
The uma leaf is not just a wrapper. It gives the rice its unique flavor, its soul.
A rich stew needs a family of meats. Each one brings a different texture.
Feast of culture.
This is our secret. This is how we will make this stew speak our language.
He laughs as he dodges a plume of smoke.
Okay, the talking is over. It is time to cook. No bleached oil for us. We use the palm oil as it is, full of flavor and life. First, we teach the oil our language.
Feast of culture.
We are not boiling, we are frying. We chase the water away, leaving only the thick, rich flavor.
Now the family of meats joins the celebration. Wow. It looks different from the one I know, but it smells even better.
Feast of culture.
The rice is ready.
It is rich. It has weight. It is a proper stew.
A new dish for a new chapter. Welcome home, my son. Feast of culture.
The first taste belongs to the one who brought the idea home.
Mama, it's different. It's better. It tastes like home.
Feast of culture.
Your wife has magic in her hands. This is a good thing your son has brought home. This is delicious. What is this called? I must admit, I was worried about not bleaching the oil, but the flavor is richer this way. Feast of culture. it's, it's amazing. It has the heart of Ayamase, but the soul of Igbo land.
Feast of culture.
An empty pot means a successful journey. Our roots are strong, my son, but our branches can reach for new sun. You have brought Dalunu.
Thank you for welcoming our son home with us.
You have been watching Feast of Culture. No matter how far you travel, there is no flavor as sweet as the taste you've shared in my homecoming feast today. If this story of family and flavor has moved you, please do me a favor.
Mama, was it really the ogiri that made it taste so good?
The ogiri and the love for the person you are cooking for. It was good, but Ofiaku is still the king of stews.
But a visitor is allowed to be handsome too. This one is for the family tomorrow. Just one taste for quality control. Tell me more about this. Lagos.
A sigh of pure contentment.
Next time you come home, what new dish will you bring us?
Feast of Culture was filmed with deep respect for the Igbo people and the universal joy of coming home.
Feast of culture.
Our strength has returned.
The uziza gives it a different heat than Ofe Oweri. Yes, a sharper fire. I like it.
This last one is mine.
No, I saw it first. You can have the next one.
So the color comes from the oil, not from tomatoes.
Feast of culture.
To your safe return.
Thank you for watching Feast of Culture, and please do subscribe so you won't miss our next episode.
Until the next feast.
As we celebrate tradition through food, let's remember those who need us most, and they are the elders and the widows. Let's make them smile. Support our Feed of Elders and Widows initiative. Your kindness keeps the fire burning. And so scan the QR code to support.
If you enjoyed today's journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join us next time for another unforgettable taste of adventure.